Would you believe that there are seeds that are so small in size, but inside they contain a huge treasure trove of amazing health benefits for your body? Yes, they are chia seeds, the wonder seed that has recently become the talk of the world in the world of nutrition and health based on the latest studies. In this important video, we'll reveal secrets that will amaze you. Did you think these seeds could give you long-lasting, natural energy and vitality? Did you know that they keep you feeling full for longer periods of time, thereby effectively contributing to weight loss? Or that they promote heart health and support healthy skin? Did you know that they improve sleep quality? Let's get ready for an enjoyable journey as we delve into the world of chia seeds and discover their amazing benefits for your body, which will inevitably change your lifestyle if you eat them in the way we'll explain in the video. Before we start, press like to know the number of people interested in these types of videos. And if you are a new follower, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Benefits of chia seeds: enhancing the efficiency of the digestive system. The high fiber content in chia seeds helps improve digestion and regulate bowel movements, leading to reduced constipation. The soluble fiber in chia seeds acts as food for the microbiome in the stomach and intestines, stimulating optimal absorption of nutrients from food, as well as reducing bloating and gas. Powerful antioxidants in chia seeds, such as myricetin and quercetin, prevent inflammation, which lead to diseases such as peptic ulcers and irritable bowel syndrome. In addition, chia seeds have another wonderful benefit. They remain in the stomach for a period of time, giving a feeling of fullness and reducing the desire to eat for a long period of time. Beneficial for heart health and blood pressure. High levels of harmful cholesterol in the blood have serious consequences that may lead to blood clots, blocked arteries, strokes, heart muscle weakness, and sometimes sudden death. The solution lies in following a healthy and appropriate diet in addition to natural nutritional supplements that help control cholesterol levels. One of the best nutritional supplements is chia seed, which has a wonderful effect in improving the efficiency of the circulatory system. Chia seeds are rich in a huge amount of fiber, healthy fatty acids, and omega-3 that support heart and artery health, as well as reduce high levels of bad cholesterol and triglycerides in the body. Prevention of the risk of cancer. The role that chia seeds play in protecting the body from cancer can't be ignored. Chia seeds are rich in lignans, which resist the formation and spread of cancer cells. Bone protection. They contain boron, the most important element that benefits bone building and protects them from osteoporosis. In addition, they contain a high amount of calcium, estimated at 5 times the amount found in milk. Chia seeds are also rich in alpha-linolenic acid, phosphorus, and magnesium, which are essential elements for protecting bones from osteoporosis, reducing arthritis and roughness, and protecting against muscle spasms. Therefore, you can rely on them as an important and safe nutritional supplement for building strong bones. Maintaining blood sugar levels. Some recent studies have shown that consuming 35 grams of chia seeds daily for 12 weeks has positive effects on regulating blood sugar levels. Chia seeds prevent blood sugar spikes, especially after having main meals containing starches or sugars. This is due to the high percentage of soluble fiber they contain, which reduce insulin resistance, slows down the digestion process, and increases the rate of sugar absorption. Therefore, you can include chia seeds in your diet if you are looking for a nutritional supplement that protects you from chronic diabetes. Improving mood. Chia seeds contain an amino acid called tryptophan that can't be produced by the body. This amino acid stimulates the secretion and formation of serotonin and melatonin, which play an effective role in eliminating insomnia and depression, as well as helping the body get enough sleep at night. This gives the body a feeling of comfort and vitality upon waking up and improves the brain's mood. Improving skin condition. Consuming chia seeds is one of the most important and necessary needs that make the skin clearer. The research indicated that chia seeds have enough amounts of antioxidants, making them fight free radicals that cause serious damage to skin tissue. Chia seeds are also rich in vitamins and omega-3, which promote tissue repair, reduce the appearance of premature signs of aging, and achieve wonderful and radiant skin. How to prepare and use chia seeds. Put a tablespoon of chia seeds in a cup of water, stir well, and leave it for at least 2 hours. Take it on an empty stomach or at least an hour before the main meal. You can also replace the water with lactose-free milk or yogurt and take it as a light meal at dinner. Dear viewers, don't forget to like the video and subscribe.